Hello friends, this is Emilio. Today I will take all of you to visit our factory. We are Tianjin Xingyu Fertilizer Industry Company Limited, referred to as XYF. Follow me. Follow my hand, it is XYF-MG. That is because our main products are magnesium sulfate. This way, let me show you some of our workshops. Our main products are magnesium sulfate, heptahydrate, anhydrous, monohydrate, and Kieserite. As the biggest manufacturer in Tianjin, our big advantage is near Tianjin port. Meanwhile, which is suitable for brick bank vessel, and the big advantage is that we can produce all kinds of magnesium sulfate. Now, let me show you our magnesium sulfate heptahydrate workshops. This way, please. You can see there are some stocks, our magnesium sulfate heptahydrate stocks, and you can see these are two kinds of package. Each is 25 kilogram bag, and for this one, it is our company's logo. Normally, it is for domestic market, and that one is neutral English bag. You know, magnesium sulfate, grace weight, lightweight, and made in China. We also have different type 25 kilogram bags. They are all with color bag with customer shipping marks on it. Products are producing magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. This is for 0.21 millimeters. It is white crystal. You can see the flow filling is very good. Most of customers buy it for fertilizers, water-soluble fertilizers, because it is 100% soluble in the water. Now, let us test the solubility. This is 1 liter water. Normally, we'll put 500 kilogram magnesium sulfate into it. And this is our sample. And it is 0.1 to 1 millimeters. It is 500 gram. I will put them in it. Mix it. Now it is all soluble in the water. And besides 0.1 to 1 millimeters, we also have, you can see this is 1 to 3 millimeters, miracle granular. And this is 2 to 4 millimeters, bigger granular. After a long period of sea transportation, the large particle size, the less kicking it is. Sometimes our customer will need the third-party inspection for our magnesium sulfate. You can see this certificate is from Intertech, which tests the dry heptahydrate. The water-soluble magnesium oxide is 16.28%, which means the IC is about 99.5%. Also, you can see the heavy metal is very, very less. And this one, this certificate is tested from SGS. It is tested the total IC of the magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. It is about 99 because normally our standard of the white heptahydrate is about 99%. Our quality can meet the international standard. Welcome to your inquiry anytime here. I will quote you our best factory price for you. Bye-bye.